This is the smart jump rope. I'm planning to do the jump rope challenge, which is 1,000 jumps per day plus 100 per day. So it's gonna be 7 days. So I got this smart jump rope to motivate me to do more jumping. So let's open it. So let's take it out. So this is you could install an app. It's called the SKIPJOY, and you can pair your jumps and record it. You're gonna have a historical data, your jumps, and the time. So this one is another quick start guide. Here's how to install, scan the QR code, and then this is how to bind your jump rope or how to connect it to the app. And then here's the display modes, and then the instruction buttons. Let's look at the manual. Here, smart jump rope user manual. So I got this on Amazon. It was on sale. So you just have to scan this on your phone, and yeah, you could download the app SKIPJOY. So these are just the features of the skip and jump rope. So I'm just gonna quickly glance on this thing. So that's the manual. So let's look at the product. It's actually pretty small, so it's not very big, it's not very bulky. So this is the holes where you're gonna put the ropes in. This is one side, and this is the other side, which has this is where the lid, this is where the countdown and stuff goes on. Let me check the inside. Oh, and this is the charger, and this is the rubber thing that you put at the end of the rope. So this rope is actually a little bit heavy because it has a metal. It has a steel inside. I don't know if you can see that, but it's like a see-through plastic with a steel inside. So I got this. This one is my old one, which I bought just last week, and I'm giving it to the kids. Let me see which is heavier. It's pretty much similar in weight, but this is much more expensive because it doesn't. This one is a smart one, and it connects with an app. So I'm giving it to the kids. I'm using this one. So we're gonna set it up. So I'm gonna connect this thing on the handles. Sorry, I only have one hand here, so I'm gonna insert. You can see that. But so to install this thing, you gotta open this little packet. You're gonna use the end cap and this this rope thing. You're gonna insert the rope in there. So see what I'm doing? I'm inserting the thing, and then you insert it through the rope and insert it on the other side. On the other side, I'm about to insert it, and then put the end cap. So that's how it looks like, and then you're gonna insert this end cap to secure it. And now you can adjust your rope on whatever length you want, and then you're gonna do the same exact thing on the other side. So I had the exact same thing on one side. I'm gonna insert it in the hole. So I have it stretched out, and then I'm gonna put it on the other side. So I got it in. You just have to insert the end cap. So this thing is not really heavy. I don't know if it's sturdy or not. It like this thing is movable. It's twist from 360 degrees, and this is how the rope looks like. It's not very heavy at all. So as you can see, there is a button here at the back. I think this is the power button, but there's no other button. So I'll show you this skipping rope, my cheaper one. This one has This is an on and off button, an up and down button, and a set button. So you got to do everything in here. But this one, it only has one button at the back. And this is the LED screen, which there's really no buttons to control it. It's all going to be on the app. So I'm going to try to press this button. So I'm turning on the button. It probably needs to be charged first. There you go. There's the battery indicator. So,
Mom, this thing is ready. Done. Mom.
And today I have jumped my first 1,000 jumps, so that was pretty exciting to do. And I'll be doing that for like 5 times a week and see if it helps with my goal. So this is also pretty sturdy. I've already dropped it a couple times while skipping. I've dropped it like 3 times and it really doesn't show anything. I mean, there's the charger port. It hasn't shown any damage or anything. So I'm pretty happy with it so far.